No.
3,
Kill me.
2, 1.
Oh, it's right there, look. Woo! Oh, wow. Well, the best.
That's it, let's go home.
Yeah, this is actually a really good spot to watch in here. I thought it was going to be where the lights are in the sky.
Can you take some again?
Yeah, I can send you Sydney. Or Stevie will. Stevie knows better than mine. Tristan's getting a video too. Shake that gate anymore. Fall.
Being on a flight on Bonfire night and looking down is awesome. You'll see hundreds and thousands of displays, won't you?
Little tiny ones. Some bush.
How long do they go on for?
About 10-15 minutes probably.
Huh?
Can somebody else hold it? No. What do you mean no? No, because I was getting down.
I know the smoke's coming in already. We're going to start smelling smoke soon.
Yeah.
Yours is better than mine.
It really ain't. Look, it's crap. Oh, sorry, sweetie. You okay? Hold that a minute. I need to put my gloves on. Reese were just saying the smoke's coming. Just killed my video. Wish lights. the smoke. Wow.
It popped so late, I think. Like, there's a purple dog flying around.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. Someone's drone.
So it is.
Yeah.
It's a drone recording it.
Ah. That's cool. You seen the drones when they do the fireworks on TV at New Year? The
Oh,
drones
yeah.
and the lights and stuff. That was really cool last year.
London's would be wicked to go see.
It would, but you've seen how packed it gets. People are literally stood on top of each other. It would be amazing though.
It would be amazing.
You okay, Corey? Corey, okay?
Yeah.
My ears are so delayed at this point. Because it goes up in here.
It's quite
But it doesn't go up straight away. It goes like
Flares.
so I'm thinking like this is like the light
Is that little guy having a go at them?
Drunk guy gone down there.
I think it is, yeah.
What's he doing?
Causing grief, isn't he? Better not cause any causing. Oh, look, roads now. Smoke. You alright? You cold? Cold. Whoa, you look then, Corey.
Yeah, you can't see.
Whoa.
What the heck happened?
Jesus Christ.
I think the fireworks, Mummy,
Jesus, speed.
I think the fireworks matches the music, so you can hear the music in the background.
Stuck in the
Turn it down just a little bit, mate.
When you play it, just play Circle of Life, Lion King, that's what we're playing.
And then just matching the music there to make the fireworks.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Right.
It's because of how much smoke.
Got all the smoke, it's crazy. Isn't it? Most of it that way.
It's just nice, right?
Definitely further away than you think. It's usually the
That's how I was thinking that. It doesn't seem like
That's a bit better, isn't it, Corey? That's more colourful.
You know what I call my pup? Kiwi. You know why? You know what? If she's actually, if she's born there, or lived there long enough, she's one. New Zealand, Kiwi birds, and apparently everybody before they lived there long enough, then they kill. Apparently, what happened? She lives bread. But I know, obviously, it's not a bloody thing. A person trying to troll me. I've seen that.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yep, Pirates of the Caribbean. Red Circle of Life, Pirates of the Caribbean.
You were going to show me something. Sake, man. Addy, did he just randomly say, oh, this is where he lives?
No, I have to say.
Your name.
Wow.
That was probably the big final one.
Yeah.
I almost went backwards. I almost went backwards,
Yeah.
straight forwards.
I'm glad.
There we go.